Hi everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make hummus, a very simple hummus. I'm Terra from the Boys and Girls Clubs of Western Pennsylvania, manager of arts. I do visual arts and culinary arts. So first we start with a can of chickpeas, and we have a very good can opener here. Okay, so that's also very important. You want to make sure your beans aren't expired. I can see right on the top of the can, it's 2024, we're good. Okay, put that off to the side. Strain your beans, just using the can. Okay, you can do this recipe, you can make this hummus with white beans too, or even red beans. We're doing a traditional hummus with the chickpeas. You can also make, I don't know if you know this, but you can also make meringue with the juice from chickpeas for vegetarians or vegan folks. So there's the chickpeas in the food processor. Next thing we want to do is add garlic. Okay, so the nice thing is I always have a garbage bowl right on my counter, so you don't have to run across the kitchen. This is an older piece of garlic. You can tell because it's splitting away from its inside, and there's also some bad spots. So I'm going to get rid of the bad spot garlics. Although you can use those if you want and trim them, clean them up. We'll put 3 cloves of garlic in this one because these are big cloves. This is a bulb of garlic, and this is a clove of garlic. I always quiz the kids on that. Okay. Easy release. Just take your big knife and you smash them. Okay. Then you can peel them pretty easily after you smash them. It also helps to release some of the oils in the garlic. Garlic is really good for your heart because it keeps your blood at a good thinness, I guess. That's how you would describe that, but this is what I've been told. Good for circulation. Okay. I love garlic. I love to eat garlic raw even, and that's because I'm Korean, so a lot of Korean people eat garlic raw. I take the edge pieces right off, the end pieces off, because they're really hard. Chop those up. Do a rough chop. Now, your hummus recipe might be slightly different than mine, and that's okay. Some people add more garlic, some people add less garlic. Some people put peanut butter in their hummus. Some people put tahini in their hummus. Hot sauce is doable too. Okay, now here's tahini, organic tahini from Trader Joe's. We're going to add a scoop of that. And that just is like a sesame-based product. And it just adds a little bit more depth to the hummus. Makes it a little bit more creamy and dreamy. And also is a good protein. Okay, I'm just going to add a little bit more. This stuff's pretty thick, so you don't want to put too much in. Just enough to give it a little deeper flavor and help the texture of it overall. Okay, so always have a paper towel available, and I also use this paper towel to cushion my cutting board so it doesn't slide around everywhere. All right, so that is that. Now we add a little splidge of, I would say, if I had to measure it accurately, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And this is to taste. So I will check it in a minute. And a little bit of olive oil, which I will mark because I'm opening it today. We mark all of our food. And you want to put like a good, like 10% of your volume. So I'm just going to put 2 passes. This is lubrication to help bring it all together. Okay, good. Here we go. We're gonna make some noise. Perfect, perfect. Now some people like their hummus really, really thin. Some people like it really coarse, okay? I'm just gonna grab another silverware here to try it, to taste it. I think that just needs a spot more of lemon juice, just a little spot more. I like my hummus to be a little zingy. There you go. Another thing you can add to hummus is hot sauce. Or greenery, like if you want to add a basil or a mint leaf, you could totally do that. Oh, much better. Okay. So, this is the hummus. I can get it off. Okay. And I didn't get a container, so I'll grab one of these bowls real quick. Sorry, stepped out of the shot. And we'll put it in a bowl so you can see what it looks like. Okay, a little bit better. So we'll take this out first. These blades are always really, really sharp. Okay, so you want to be real careful, very careful whenever you empty that. So I'm right-handed, so I apologize. Here we go. Oh, that looks delicious. And you can use hummus on just about everything. Any kind of cracker, chip, toast, pita, just as it is alone. I know one person in my family here that loves to eat hummus by itself. There you go. And there is the hummus. Then we're going to go up here and show this top camera. This is the hummus. Beautiful. Thank you very much for listening to me this Saturday morning. Our next video will be set up a little bit more professionally, and there'll be some more information for you. Thank you.